Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing y'all how I retwist my 2-month-old locks. Yeah, yeah, this is what I look like. Under that bonnet, that's what I'm looking like. Yeah, I know I look a hot mess, but let's get into it. So I start off with freshly washed hair, using elastic bands for sectioning my hair. I'll be using the red one in black. I usually use the actual red jar, but this one is a bit more lighter on the hair. You'll need clips and combs. So after sectioning the hair, the first row, I spray some water on my hair. You don't need a lot of water to retwist your hair, but you just need to dampen it. So this is me making sure my parts are clean because that's my preference. I usually use a rat tail comb to make sure the strands are where they should be. I only need a little bit of the wax, and I smooth it into my roots to keep those loose strands from getting in the way. I part off the lock that I want to retwist, and using the rat tail comb, I make sure the part is nice and clean. I'm gonna smooth out that root with the comb. Then I'm gonna twist it to the right and palm roll it. You'll see me repeat this throughout my entire hair. Here's a better view of it. Now the back of my hair is it has the most loose curls in the back of my hair. So usually this takes me a good while, and this is the hairs that refuse to lock, but they'll get there eventually. I'm waiting y'all out. I'm not gonna use a needle. I'm waiting y'all out. I'm gonna wait y'all out. Y'all are gonna lock. I have faith in y'all. Okay, I'm gonna move on to a more coarser section of my hair. So I'm gonna repeat the steps that I did before. Dampen it. Make sure the parting is nice and clean. Some of my locks were coming with that little ponytail I was trying to put it in. So I clipped them out of the way. Gonna use a little amount of the wax and scoot it into my roots to keep those like little loose strands away. Keep them out of the way. Then I'm gonna use the comb, smooth out the roots of that one lock. I'm gonna twist it to the right, and then I'm gonna palm roll the rest of the lock. Palm rolling helps minimize frizz, so that's why I'm doing it. And once I'm done, I basically roll the root, and then I'll clip it all the way. And this is what it looks like. This is me doing the front of my hair. Here I am retwisting a tiny lock. Now the front of my hair does have some heat damage, so I have a little bit of straight hair here and there, but they do lock. So if you have the same problem, trust me, they do lock. This is me doing my last lock. So I'm going to repeat all the steps that I did, retwisting the root just a little bit. Then I'm going to palm roll it. And when I'm done, I'm going to clip it. And woo! Child, I'm done. I'm done. That is a lot. It took me 2 hours. Gonna go in with my Nairobi foam wrap. Distribute that throughout my hair. It helps to keep the retwist longer and minimizes frizz. Going in with my favorite blow dryer. Y'all, listen to how this sounds. So quiet. I use the blow dryer so I can melt in the products that I use so I won't have a white residue or hue on my roots. This is me just making sure that I get every part and I use my finger to smooth it in. Gonna go in with my Pump It Up Super Hole Spritz. I spray a little all over my roots. Of course, it's gonna get on my locks because my locks are short, but it doesn't do anything bad to my locks that I know about. I go back in with my dryer. I'm gonna dry it just a little bit because I usually let my locks air dry on its own. And this is the final result. It's looking good, looking fabulous, looking nice. It's definitely starting to bud. I can say since starting this lock journey, my hair does seem a little more healthier than it was before. So you guys should definitely hop on board. Thanks for watching and see you next time.